customer messaged me asking if I could build them a PC. The only problem was, it was already 10 p.m. and for whatever reason, they needed it that same night, so I rushed to get it done as fast as possible. We're starting this build off with the MSI Mag B550 Tomahawk motherboard. And for the processor, we're going with the Ryzen 5 5600X. It's got 6 cores and 12 threads. The customer should be pretty satisfied with this. For the RAM, we're going with 32 gigs of Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. 2 clicks so you know it's seated correctly. Let's go ahead and install the CPU cooler. Usually I like to spray paint these stock AMD coolers, but since time is of the essence, I'm not doing that this time. For the storage, we're going with one of the best budget options out there. Personally, my favorite, the Team Group MP33. Links in the description for all this stuff, by the way. Now we can move everything to one of my personal favorite cases, NZX TH5 Elite. We're going with an 850 watt RGB power supply by Red Dragon. This is my first time using this power supply. I really love how it matches the color scheme, and overall I really liked building with it. Last but definitely not least, we've got our GeForce RTX 3050 OC edition. This is the Twin Edge 8GB. I didn't have any other white graphics cards, otherwise I would have definitely used that for this build. Another thing I would have done is used white cable extensions. It just looks a lot cleaner in my opinion, but I didn't have any, so. And I know some of you will be replicating this build, so I'll drop the links down below. And honestly, while this build is genuinely great and all, I just used parts I already had on hand, and you can find way better deals. But anyway, hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.